to keep it moving. I had my axles locked. We're going so slow. I had to engage my axles so I won't slip on this ice. But okay, we're in Kansas, blizzard conditions. Oh my gosh, this is just like one part. I don't know. I just hope that I don't get stuck on this ice. Because if I do, then we're all screwed. I had to engage my axle locks. Yeah, I think this is the second time in my life. But the first time I did this in Wyoming, it wasn't like this. There was no ice on the road. It was just windy and you couldn't see. Wow, there's a lot of trucks that just stuck. So I was right. I was right. The cars and trucks that were coming through, I think they blocked the road one way out. Because right now we're on this side and nobody can get through. So they have to block the road. What day is today? Today is the 19th. I was supposed to be in New Mexico right now. I have to go slow because my axle locks are on. Yep, there's a police up there. He's blocking the side of the road. I put my regular axles on so I can go speed up a little bit. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. Oh. Oh yeah, this is bad. And this snow came from the Rockies. It came down. Woo, it's clear by the time you get done. Yeah, it's gonna clear up. It's supposed to get into like the 70s today. So I was correct when I said that they're gonna block one lane down and let other trucks and cars through. That's what they've been doing this whole 4 hours we've been shut down. This is, even though it's snowing and it's freezing on the ground, my diesel it's like my truck says it's 35 degrees outside and freezing. So my diesel, you know, it freezes what, under 20 degrees. That's when it starts to freeze, or gel up rather. So that's a good thing. Alright, now we're moving. So that one area